Here's how to remove you may like suggestions on TikTok. So if you're seeing unwanted suggestions on your TikTok search page, this video will show you how to remove them. If you don't like these suggestions, you can refresh the page. If that's not enough, here are more ways to customize them. So go to your TikTok profile first, tap on the menu in the top right corner of your screen and select Settings and Privacy from the bottom. Then select Content Preferences, which is in the top. Tap on Manage Topics, which is below Steam Feed. Use the sliders to indicate whether you want to see more or less of each topic. Slide right for more and left for less. Then tap on Save in the top right corner of your screen and you'll be done. Now go back to Settings and select Notification. That is under Content and Display. Scroll to Personalized Post Suggestions. Scroll down to Personalized Post Suggestions and turn off all these three switches. Go back to Settings and select Activity Center. That is also under the Content and Display. Tap on Search History, that is below the comment history, and then tap on Select in the top of the screen and delete all of your search history from here. Return to your search page to see if suggestions have improved. If not, scroll to the bottom and tap on Help Us to Improve. Select the suggested searches are not interesting and not personalized. Select the suggestions you want to remove and tap Submit. You may need to repeat this a few times. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.